In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your inbox layout in Microsoft Outlook for a smoother and more organized email experience. Let's jump right into it. Open your Microsoft Outlook application. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from Microsoft's official website and sign in using your credentials. Once you're in, it will typically open up to your inbox where you can see all your emails. The goal today is to simplify the way your messages are displayed, making it easier to navigate and prioritize your email tasks. Now let's head over to the settings. This is usually found as a gear icon at the top right corner of your Outlook interface. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to select View All Outlook Settings to make more precise adjustments. Once you've done that, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. One section here is called Mail, and that's where you'll need to go next. Clicking on Mail will bring up a new set of options. We're particularly interested in the Layout section today, which is the key to changing how your emails are displayed. You'll find various options under Layout, but to unsort your messages, you'll need to locate and click on a specific option labeled something like Don't Sort My Message. This is an important adjustment if you prefer your emails to appear in chronological order without additional grouping or sorting, which can sometimes complicate things rather than simplifying them. Choosing not to sort your messages results in a more straightforward and traditional inbox experience, letting you see the newest emails at the top without them being divided into categories like focused or other. This setting is particularly helpful for those who receive a lot of emails and need to keep track effortlessly of what's coming in and going out. Once you've made these changes, there's nothing more that you need to do. You're all set. Your Outlook inbox should now display your messages as they arrive in a clean and unfettered sequence. And remember, these settings are always adjustable, so feel free to return to this menu anytime you want to experiment with different layouts or revert to your previous configurations. This simple adjustment can make all the difference in the efficiency with which you manage your email communications. So there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've managed to streamline your email layout in Microsoft Outlook. Harness these settings to enhance your daily productivity and manage your emails with greater ease. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more insightful tips to boost your digital prowess.